So you might be in a situation where for some reason your AirPods are actually one is louder than the other one. So what does this mean? Well, basically you have one specific AirPod that is actually louder than the other AirPod that you're actually using. Now this can happen for a few different reasons, but the very first thing you're going to want to go ahead and make sure is that within your AirPods that there aren't any sort of weird hardware issues going on. So you want to make sure within your AirPods that there's not like a big defect, like you stepped on one or there's water in one or anything like that. As long as you can kind of get the idea that none of those things are the issues, the next thing you're going to want to do is take out both of your AirPods. Take out both of your AirPods from your ear or from the case and go ahead and put them in exactly how you basically got them in before. So go ahead and put them in exactly how you did it before, and you want to give it a few seconds. Go and close the case down, and then what you want to do is you want to open the case back up, and you can go ahead and repair your specific AirPods or just put them back in your ear and start playing a song. Most of the time when you go and do that, that is probably going to end up fixing the problem. Now, if that still doesn't end up working, or if that ends up not fixing anything, well, the next thing you're going to want to try doing is go ahead and just try to make sure that within your AirPods themselves, if you can hold down the case little thing on the background to basically get your case into the pairing mode, you may just need to go ahead and repair your specific AirPods to your device. So what you can do is you can go and get your AirPods just like this, and you can bring them close to the device that you just had, and then you can go and hold down the button on the back of your AirPods to get into pairing mode, and then you'll come into this panel. Now what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to repair these specific AirPods to your specific device right here, and you can go and click connect, and it's going to take a few seconds for it to fully go through, but that is another option that you do have. Now if that's still not working, if you have something like an iPhone, there can be some times where the update just needs to go through for your AirPods. So click on your settings of your specific device, you want to click on general, and you want to click software update, and you want to go and update your phone, and if there's an AirPods update, that will automatically update as well. So those are pretty much the main ways to fix it. If it's still not working, you may want to just let them die out and let them kind of revive themselves, and that might end up fixing the problem too. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.